Everyone, I'm going to show you how to manually create an AdSense ad within your AdSense account. You sign into your AdSense account, you click on My Ads, then you click on New Ad Unit. I already chose a name for the ad unit. I already know that I want to do a 728 by 90. You can always click the preview buttons to view what size it is. That's how you learn. I'm creating an ad to place right around here on my shiploadofcoupons.us grocery offers webpage. And I want you to check out my colors. I like white, orange, blue, a touch of green. I'm really trying to blend in some colors and stick with that color theme. You click copy and edit if you want to create an AdSense style that you want to permanently keep in your account, so you don't have to redo it. It becomes an option. The style name, I'll just keep that because that's the page that it's on. Now my border, I'll try to be a little funky here. I'm going to stick with the blue. I like the white background, but you could change the background too. I'm going to stick with white. I like the cream, but I'll stick with white. I'm going to pick a softer blue. Oh, I like that a lot. You see that? Text. I'm going to try a lot of blue. Oh, that looks pretty. And the URL, I'm going to stick with orange. I like that. You also can choose a different font if you like. Most of the time, I'll leave it on optimal. Use account default. I don't like that. Let me see what optimal is again. I guess that's default. You know, I like that one. I'll stick with Arial. And I'm going to click Save. And when I do that, let me show you. Right here. That color scheme, style, stays within your account. So you don't have to redo that work again, like I created this color style for cashback online shopping. And that's how that works. So then you don't have to keep redoing the same work over and over again. Then you scroll down. You can always form a custom channel. Custom channels mean that AdSense will review your activity, your website activity, and you're telling AdSense to turn the ad into a targetable ad for merchants, companies to bid on your advertising space. I'm choosing not to do that right now. But it's in the long run, if you build your website and your website over time receives more visitors each day, each week, each month, you might want to do that. Make your ad space targetable so companies bid for that ad space. But I'm going to, this is something I'm going to do. I'm copying this URL. This is a web page on my lotofcoupons.com website that I know I'm going to keep this ad here. It's 728 by 90 ad. I'm keeping that as a backup ad instead of if they run out of ads, which rarely happens. There's a backup ad. That's what that means. They'll show that ad that shows on this page, on the page that I'm creating the ad for. And I'm going to save and get code. That's how I do it. I copy the code. I leave it on this, the default setting. Not sure how to say it, but I can say it, but I don't say it right. I'm going to go back to build. I might as well show you this. I want to put the ad there, so I'm going to embed the code. And I like to type a break. And then I like to, it's just my preference. You don't have to do this. Sometimes I type the center, but it became a feature now. And then I click publish. And then within 10 to 15 minutes, an ad will show on my webpage, just like this one I'll show you. Shipload of coupons.us, cashback credit card. See, there's a nice ad up there. That's pretty neat. And then down here. So that's how that works, folks.